So whenever I type in a prompt, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say, let's say for example, please do produce a paragraph regarding computer system right here, just like this, and press enter. Then what happens is that it does produce a paragraph right here, just like this. And then over here on the bottom, you actually have the action buttons that actually come with it. So over here, you can see that you have an option to copy, which copies it out on the clipboard, and you can paste out the content right here. Apart from that, you can go around and regenerate if you don't like the result. You can go around and click right here. Then what happens is that it creates another version right here, just like this. So this is the previous version, as you can see. So this is a computer system that comprises of interconnected hardware. And now it says a computer system is a complex arrangement of hardware and software components right here, just like this. So you have an option to copy, you have option to regenerate this, or you can just say that this is a bad response. You can regenerate out, and you can also say this is better or worse or same. So let's just go around, mark it as same right here. Or you can also mark it as bad response, and this is like sending a report to ChatGPT so that it can be better. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can work around with the result actions inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.